What is permission set? Permission set represents a set of permissions that's used to grant additional access to one or more users without changing their profile or reassigning profiles. You can use permission sets to grant access, but not to deny access. Every permission set is associated with a user license. You can only assign permission sets to users who have the same user license that's associated with the permission set. If you want to assign similar permissions to users with different licenses, create multiple permission sets with the same permissions, but with different licenses. Permission sets include settings for assigned apps, object settings, which include tab settings, object permissions, field permissions, app permissions, Apex class access, Visual Force page access, system permissions. Service providers, only if you've enabled Salesforce as an identity provider.